In this video, I'm going to walk through the Prenda Code Club unique URL authentication feature that is built into your Prenda Code Club software. We have developed a way so that coders, when they're creating accounts for the very first time, can click on a unique link from your library or school website or marketing material, and it will automatically associate them with your library. To get this unique link, you log in to your admin dashboard. It'll bring you first to this page, and we need to edit the library that we want the URL for. So in this situation, I want the URL for the main branch. I'm going to click on Edit, and it'll take me to a screen where I can edit all of the main info for this library. Your unique login URL is the field that I want. So I'm going to double click on that, copy it, and then I'll show you what the experience looks like from the coder side. If a coder clicks on this, it will take them to this page. When they click sign up, you'll notice that the library is locked in. I can't edit this, so I would enter my name, my gender, this is locked in, and click next and go on to creating an account. And this account is going to be automatically associated with your library.